Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Grains are higher. Soybeans right now, September's up 29 cents at $13.68. Soybean oil at 62 cents a pound, all up 1.67 cents. Meal's up $6. September corn's up 6 at $4.94, and Chicago wheat's up 4 at $6.54, while Minneapolis is up 5 at $8.53. Stock's a little bit lower. Dollar's higher. Crude's lower. Gold, silver, copper, coffee, sugar, cotton are all lower. In the grain markets, headlines on the beans suggest short covering in front of the USDA July 12th report, in which the average guess for 23-24 U.S. soybean carryout 199 million bushels due to lower acres, versus previous at 350. Still, when we look at global stocks of soybeans, we're still looking at possibly a 121 million ton crop carryout due to higher South American 2024 crop production. Over in the corn, I think that the main thing there is that the weather forecast for the next 10 days is drier than normal across parts of the western corn belt, especially Nebraska, parts of Iowa, South Dakota. Could be a couple of showers in the eastern corn belt, especially central Illinois, that's received good rains. In the last crop ratings, we saw that the USDA crop ratings went up 10 percentage points in Illinois, whereas Nebraska dropped 8. Again, the USDA could add corn acres in this report, but the key is how much they lower the yield from 181. Some people are in the 175 area, which is bearish, whereas others are below 170, which eventually could be bullish. We do note that some dryness across northern China and some warm temperatures is reducing some of the crops there, and Brazil is an active seller of corn to China. We just don't know how much more corn they may import. Wheat markets, kind of a tale of two markets. Number one, soft red crops are bigger, and they're going to have to find a place for storage without export demand, whereas globally, high protein wheats may have a little bit lower production in parts of central Russia, northern China, and Canada. Canada continues to see drier than normal conditions, and might be just too late for the Canada and Northern Plains wheat crop to get higher rains from higher yields. So we'll see how much higher Minneapolis wheat needs to trade versus Chicago, but again, concerned about the global wheat, high protein wheat is offering support to Minneapolis wheat. Again, outside markets struggling with whether or not there'll be a recession, what the Fed's going to do as far as increasing rates. Some people feel that 125% increase is all that they'll do, which on Friday weighed on the US dollar.